This is POCO X7, and today I would like to show how you can record the screen on this phone. So in the beginning, let me quickly show how you can access the screen recorder settings, since if that's your first time recording the screen, you may as well want to, configure the screen recorder and just generally set it up. So launch your device's settings, next enter the additional settings category, and here open the screen recorder page. On it, you can switch up, you can modify the resolution, the video quality, orientation, sound source, frame rate, and other recording options. Now when it comes to starting the screen recording, open the control panel or control center and look for the video camera icon. Tap on it to begin, to open the screen recording tool, and tap at this red circle to start a screen recording. Now if you would like to pause it, tap at the screen recorder here, or if you would like to finish the screen recording, tap at this little handy toolbar. You can also open the screen recording settings from here, open the folder with all your screen recordings from this toolbar, or close it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.